Hi, I'm Abbie and I'm really excited to tell you about my 6-week online Key Stage 2 Maths SATs booster group. If your child is in Year 6 and you want them to feel confident, prepared and ready to do their best in their SATs, this programme is designed exactly for them. Over the next 6 weeks, I'll be working with a small group of children to strengthen the key skills they need for their maths papers. From arithmetic fluency to reasoning strategies. We'll break down tricky concepts, practice the type of questions they see in the tests, and build the confidence they need to stay calm under pressure. Because the group is small, every single child gets individual attention. I'll be able to spot where they're getting stuck, support them through it, and celebrate their progress along the way. By the end of the programme, your child will feel more confident tackling SAT-style questions, know the methods that get marks consistently, understand how to approach reasoning problems step by step, and walk into their SATs feeling prepared, not overwhelmed. Most importantly, they'll believe in themselves, and that's what makes all the difference. If you'd like your child to join us, drop me a message below as spaces are very limited. I'd love to support them on this final stretch to SAT success. I can't wait to meet you.